Whistling tutorial for beginners. How to learn to control your whistling tones. Hello, here is Whistle Bernd. Nearly everybody can whistle, but it is important how to control it. In the next minutes I will show you how you can improve it. The key for a good whistling is to control the tones. From my experience, I give you basic knowledge in 4 steps. Imagine that your mouth is a sort of musical instrument that you have to prepare for whistling. Let us begin with step 1. Step 1. Press your tip of the tongue behind your lower incisors. For lower tones, the tongue will further down. Step 2. Say poo and keep your lips in that shape. Maintain this position. Step 3. In addition, press both sides of your lips together to increase the stabilizing effect of your lips. What is the reason doing this? The reason is to make with your mouth a musical instrument, similar like a flute. With this mouth position you should be able to whistle a stable, controlled tone. Let us begin with step 4. Step 4. Blow now evenly and whistle a tone. Try to whistle a single tone. First 5, 10, then 15 seconds. Example. Practice this with different tones until you are able to control it. Example. When you succeed to whistle a stable, clear tone, you are on your way. Experiment with the position of your tongue, your lips, and the size of your oral cavity. Whistle to a background music and always try to find the right tone. The most important skill is the pitch. This is the topic of essence. Without a good pitch, whistling can be annoying. A good help is to record your own whistling. Have fun and thank you for your patience. Please listen to my songs on YouTube, Whistler Bernd.